All right, when you're ready to do this excursion, this is the little building where you can rent kayaks and canoes, and you can purchase your ticket for the bus, and you can drop your kayaks off over here as we did. And then after you drop your things off, I'm gonna drive all the way downstream to Osceola and hitch a ride on the bus, and then I'm gonna ride it back here. Okay, this is the parking lot where I'm going to, where the pickup spot is, and there's people getting out over there, and I'm waiting for the bus to pick me up and take me back upriver. It was just about a 10-minute drive here. They pick you up once every hour. All aboard. And we're off back to Taylor's Falls. And about 10 minutes later, pulling back into the Taylor's Falls site. All aboard. All right, here's our yaks and all our gear, right down from the parking lot. And this is where we're gonna launch from and take them all the way downstream to Osceola.
Braving the St. Croix River.
Thanks, Franklin. All right, let's forge downstream and see what we find. There's the Taylor's Falls tour bus. Check out the terrain here. Wouldn't that be fun to rock climb? There's a little island over there. We're gonna head over there and swim the island next. Hey, Shug.
Hi, Papa.
You wanna go swim that island?
Sure.
Okay, let's go do it. All right, now we just hit the sandbar and the boys are gonna go swimming. Perfect little island here of sand.
Oh,
Perfect clean sand. And look at the rocks on the other side.
what's wrong with you, little boy?
What you got here, Samuel?
Oh, castle?
What's the name of your castle?
I don't know.
Castle?
I guess.
We just got done diving off the cliffs right across the water over there. Let's see where Sam Franklin is. What are you building over here, Franklin?
Just a little thing
Little
to
guy.
carry over to my kingdom over here.
Kingdom. Crystal clear water on a beautiful day. There's Samuel, and Franklin is way up there. We just snuck up on a giant soft-shelled turtle on the bank back there, but he dumped in the water right before we got to him. There's Franklin and his kayak. We're just taking a little break here. There's Samuel getting up. Maybe we'll explore the sandbar here and see what kind of cool stuff is here. The boat launch where we get off, I think, is right up there past that bridge. We'll hang here for a little bit.
We're exploring the beach now. Come check this out.
Yep.
I found a clam.
Let's check that little guy out. Ooh, a nice medium-sized little guy. Alive. Clams are beautiful. I love clams. Here's a couple more clams. Little ridges on them. See yours. Nice one. Look at that. Caught him with his tongue sticking out. Let's see how many we've got here. Look at all these clams. Put yours down there. That's a lot of clams. All right, let's let these little guys go, boys. There you go, Mr. Clams. All right, time to launch again and get going. Here's the bridge. We're just coming up on it, and the boat launch should be right around the corner. There's the yaks, and here's the parking lot, and the Honda's just right up there. That's it. The yaks are all packed up, and we're going to hit the road. Thanks for coming on the adventure. Twin Cities Adventures, out.